Good morning all of you. Today we will continue with the chapter and the chapter name is Light in the Night. Okay, in the previous video lesson we have understood about the chapter. So now in this video lesson we will do the word meanings as well as question answer of this chapter. So let's begin with the word meanings. So the first word is dishonest. So what do you understand by the term dishonest? So dishonest means a person who is not honest is known as what? Dishonest means a person to whom we cannot trust, means a person who is not trustworthy. Okay. Second, enforce. What is enforce? To make sure something is done. Enforce, as you know in the chapter, authority has enforced a law. So what was the law? That was the law was what? It was that all the people, all the citizens will keep a lamp outside their window. Okay. So this was what? This was a law and it was enforced by the authority. So what is enforce? Means to make sure something is done. Okay. Now third one is wick. A string in oil or in the middle of a candle that is light for burning. Okay. So a string in oil means a string in oil in the middle of a candle that is light for burning. Means for example oil lamp. In oil lamp there is what? There is a wick in between it. जो एक कॉटन होता है जिसको हम क्या करते हैं? बर्न करते हैं. उसी को क्या कहेंगे? विक कहेंगे. Okay. So now we will do the question answer. So first of all you will write down the heading, answer the following question. Then with the black pen you will write down question number 1. So what is question? Before street lamps were introduced, what did people do on cloudless moonlight nights? Why did they need to wait for these weather conditions? So what is the question? Question is that when street lamps were introduced, what did people do on cloudless moonlight nights? Means at that time there was a moon in the sky and there were no clouds in the sky. And at that time street lamps were introduced. Means people were using street lamps. So what were people doing at that time? Okay, this is the question. What did they need to wait for these weather conditions? Now the second question is that what was the reason that people were waiting for this type of weather condition? Okay. Now come to the answer. On cloudless moonlight nights, they would take advantage of the moonlight that helped them to see and socialize. They needed to wait for these weather conditions because otherwise the street of London would be dark at night. Okay. So the first question was what people do at that time when they roam in the moonlight. So the answer is what? When there was moonlight in the sky, when there was moon in the sky, so people take the advantage, people take the benefit of the moonlight, and by taking the benefit of the moonlight they used to socialize. Socialize means to meet people, friends, relative. Okay. So the second question was what? That why do they wait for this type of weather condition? So they wait for this type of weather condition because in other weather condition street of London was dark. Okay. Is it clear? There were clouds in the sky. So that is why the moonlight was not there and the season was what? It was not that good that people can roam in the street. Okay. Now question number 2. Before street lamps were introduced, what were the dangers that people faced if they went out at night? So the question is when street lamps were introduced, means when people were using street lamps, what were the dangers? Means what were the problems which people has to face at that time when they used to go outside in the street of London. Okay. So this was the question. So what is the answer? It was dangerous to move out at night. Obviously it was very dangerous to move out at night. Why it was dangerous? Because people could trip, fall and injure themselves. Now it may be possible that people will fall, people will injure themselves. Why people will fall and they will injure themselves? Because the streets were dark. Street were what? It was dark. There was no light in the street. So that is why it was possible that people will fall. Okay. If they fell in the river, they could even drown. So what will be possible? It may be possible they may fall in the river, and if they will fall in the river, they will be what? They will be drowned. Drown means डूब जाना. Okay. Now, there was also a danger of being attacked and robbed by criminals. It may be possible also that people, attackers or robbers may come, criminals may come, they may rob the people who are moving in the street, right? They may attack the people who are moving in the street, who would be out on the street at night. One could also lose their way in the dark, right? If there will be no light in the street, so it may be possible na, that you will forget the way, where you were going, where you wanted to go, right? So this was also a possibility. So that is why it was very dangerous to go alone without any torch, without any light in the street, because people may fall, because people may injure themselves, and there was also a possibility that attackers or criminals will they will rob them. उन्हें लूट भी सकते थे. Okay. Now, who were link boys and what did they do? So, who were link boys? Link boys were young boys and men who would for money hold a burning lamp or torch ahead of the people so that they could see their way in the dark. As you have read in the chapter, that link boys were what? They were young boys. They were young guys and men also who were for a small amount of money, means if you will give some amount of money to them, they will ready and they will carry a burning torch or they will carry a torch for you and they will show you the way. Means they will go ahead and they will show you the way. Okay. So now come to the next question, that is question number 4. What did the work of a lamplighter involve? So what was the work of a lamplighter? The work of a lamplighter, first of all, what is the meaning of a lamplighter? Lamp is what? Means a thing which is giving us a light, and lamplighter means a person who is lighting a lamp. Okay. Now, the work of a lamplighter was a demanding one. Demanding one means at that time it was on demand. Means at that time lamplighters were needed in the society. They would have to light each lamp in their assigned area in the evening. Means lamplighters were given area, assigned area means they were given some area in which they have to go and they have to light the lamp in the evening, means in the evening. Okay, and put it out in the morning apart from that, and in the morning they have to blow off the light. They would also change oil, as you know that it was an oil lamp. So what they have to do, they have to change the oil also, they have to trim the wicks also. बत्ती को उनको trim करना पड़ता था, and kept the lamp clean, और उन्हें lamp को भी क्या करना पड़ता था, clean रखना पड़ता था. The royal crest on the lamp post was also looked after by the lamplighters. Means there was a royal crest also in the lamp post, and they were also looked by whom? It was also looked by the lamp lighters. Okay. Now next question. Roughly how many gas lamps are there in London today? So how many gas lamps were there in London today? As you know, around 1500 gas lamps were present in London. How many gas lamps? 1500 gas lamps. Okay. Hope you have understand the chapter properly and all the question answer is clear to you. Okay. So this is the way of writing the question answer. First of all, write down the name of the chapter, word meanings. After that, the heading, then question answer. Question with black pen and answer with blue pen. After that, draw a line in between two questions. Here, draw a line. Okay, I have not drawn the line, but you should draw the line. Okay. Okay. All of you have understand the lesson properly. Thank you.